It is a joy and a duty to raise a new life with you. Pregnancy has its own set of rewarding shocks, difficulties, and fresh insights. Not to mention the classic mother or grandmother's guidance on having a good pregnancy. Friends and family always advise new mothers to eat a healthy diet while pregnant. A balanced diet during pregnancy aids in stable weight increase for the baby's development and makes sure the mother consumes the proper number of calories to meet her daily energy requirements throughout each trimester. Due to the abundance of legumes, pulses, grains, and local fruits and vegetables in Indian cuisine, preparing a balanced meal during pregnancy is a snap. A list of the nutrients that make up a balanced diet for pregnancy is provided below. 1. Folic acid. Folic acid is an essential prenatal vitamin since a deficiency causes serious issues for the infant, such as congenital defects, preterm delivery, and even miscarriage. Regular folate intake helps prevent neural tube defects like spina bifida and even nerve damage and cleft palate by ensuring that the baby's neural tube develops normally to form the spinal cord in the brain. Together with vitamin B12, folate reduces anemia risk while increasing red blood cell count. Greens like spinach and beans, fruits like grapefruits, strawberries, avocados, and oranges, as well as pulses and lentils like kidney beans, all contain folic acid or folate in their natural state. Breakfast cereals, plant-based beverages like almond milk and soy milk, and other foods sold in stores have folic acid added to them. 2. Calcium. Following on from folate, which supports the growth of the nervous system and the brain, is calcium-dependent bone growth and density. Both the mother and the child are at risk when there is a calcium deficit. The mother's bones become brittle when the body removes required calcium from the calcium deposit there. A natural source of calcium in the diet during pregnancy is cottage cheese or paneer, curd, yogurt, and other milk products. 3. Vitamin D. Together, calcium and vitamin D support the formation of bones and are mutually dependent. Vitamin D is important for calcium absorption from the components listed above. Pregnant women who are vitamin D deficient may experience bone abnormalities and low birth weight. Vitamin D is also abundant in dairy products, eggs, and oranges. Along with this, getting outside in the sun is another effective technique to produce vitamin D straight from sunshine. 4. Iron. A pregnant woman cannot afford to be anemic because iron, which is the main component of hemoglobin and aids in an appropriate supply of oxygen throughout the body, is essential for pregnancy. The diet during pregnancy contains a wide variety of iron-rich foods, such as green leafy vegetables like spinach and methi. Lentils, apricots, raisins, and the staple rajma or kidney beans are good sources of iron. Women who are expecting should get at least 40 mg of iron daily. A5. Protein. The development of muscle mass or body mass is highly dependent on protein intake. Both the mother and the newborn need protein. Mothers-to-be grow extra tissues so that their uterus and breasts can expand. amino acids from the proteins that make up cells and tissues are needed for the fetus growth and brain development, particularly during the second and third trimesters. Depending on the pregnant mother's current body weight and trimester, 70–100 grams of protein per day is the recommended amount for a balanced diet throughout pregnancy. Protein-rich foods include yogurt, various meats, soy chunks, milk, chickpeas, chia seeds, eggs, salmon, dairy products, and dairy foods. 6. Omega-3. Preventing premature labor, reducing the incidence of preeclampsia, and even a few other postpartum mood disorders for the mother, such as postpartum depression, are all said to be benefits of omega-3 fatty acids during pregnancy. For the baby's brain development and early life, pregnant women need to consume at least 200 milligrams of DHA, an omega-3 fatty acid, daily. DHA can be found in eggs, fish and fish oils, and fortified milk in its natural state. 7. Vitamin A. The development of organs like the eyes, heart, lungs, kidneys, and the entire embryonic respiratory, circulatory, and neurological systems is aided by vitamin A. It aids in immune development and infection prevention, two vital qualities for a pregnant mother, especially for the mending of tissues after birth. The majority of vibrant and colorful vegetables, including carrots, potatoes, pumpkins, beets, red peppers, and others, contain vitamin A, making them essentials in a pregnant woman's diet. 8. Magnesium. Similar to how calcium and magnesium operate best together, the majority of minerals and nutrients don't function alone. Magnesium aids in muscular relaxation whereas calcium induces muscle contraction. This combination is essential for labor, and its absence may result in preterm labor. A mother who is expecting or nursing a child needs at least 360 milligrams of magnesium daily. There are several foods that are high in magnesium that can be included in a pregnant diet, including bajra, jawar, ragi, whole wheat flour, lady's finger, spinach, mackerel, peanuts, bananas, and milk. 9. Vitamin C. L-ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C, is crucial for bone and tissue development in infants as well as for mom to heal wounds and repair tissue. Combining vitamin C and iron improves iron absorption and immunity, thus it is essential to do so for the greatest benefits. Nutritionists recommend consuming 115–120 grams of vitamin C during breastfeeding and 80–85 milligrams while pregnant.